It's 4:53 a.m. I'm hiking to my first point. The sun has not risen yet. And it's damn cold. It's like maybe 6 degrees Celsius. So I'm decked out in many layers, although you can't really see it because it's dark out. So today was actually a late day because it's only me and Katie today because the boys are doing other stuff. And so we got to take the last 2 easy transects. And then starting on Monday, because tomorrow we have off, we will be starting Real Hell Week, where we're getting up at 3 a.m., meeting at 3:30, and hiking in the dark until we get to our first point. So it's going to be brutal. But the weather's supposed to be fabulous, and I'm hoping we can just power through it and then start our third round where we can actually sleep in again. And by sleep in, I mean like sleep until 4. So, anyway. So I'm 25 minutes early to my first point, which is, I guess, nice. There is an audio recorder at the point, so I'm trying not to mess up the audio recordings. I think they start recording at 4:30, something like that. So they're going right now. Yeah, I might just sit and drink my coffee or take a nap, maybe. I'm not sure. I'm seriously considering a nap. But we'll see. The sun just rose, so it's light out. There's sort of a nice pink sunrise, so that was good. But yeah, I'm gonna go hang out by the recorder and hopefully not make too much noise and maybe sleep or something. We'll see.